Lion and Hazel, the power of friendship. In a vast savanna, there lived a majestic lion named Leo, known as the king of the jungle. Leo was strong and brave, but he also had a gentle heart. One day, as he was lounging under a shady tree, he heard a commotion nearby. Curious, he ventured closer and discovered a group of animals gathered around a small, frightened hare named Hazel. Hazel had lost her way and was terrified of the dark shadows cast by the tall grass. The other animals were unsure how to help her, fearing the dangers of the night. Leo, with his deep, rumbling voice, stepped forward. "Do not worry, little one. I will guide you home," he said kindly. As the sun set, Leo led Hazel through the savanna, using his strength and courage to protect her from lurking dangers. He encouraged her with stories of bravery, reminding her that she was stronger than she thought. Along the way, they met various animals, a clever fox, a wise owl, and a playful monkey, who all joined in to help. Together, they created a beautiful light by gathering fireflies, illuminating their path. With Leo's guidance and the support of her new friends, Hazel felt less afraid. Finally, they reached her burrow just as the moon rose high in the sky. Grateful and filled with newfound confidence, Hazel thanked Leo and the others. "I may be small, but I learned that with friends by my side, I can face anything," she said, her voice steady. From that day on, Leo and Hazel became the best of friends, proving that true strength lies not only in size, but in kindness and camaraderie. And under the watchful gaze of Leo, the savanna thrived with unity and friendship, reminding everyone that together they could overcome any challenge.